Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to get Robux with Sweatcoin. So guys, of course, firstly you need to make sure that you have a sufficient Sweatcoin balance on your account in the application. For example, as you can see, I don't use it, so I don't have any. But if you do use it actively all the time, you will, of course. And then if you wish to pretty much exchange your sweat coins for real money, you go to rewards, and here you will have, I don't really know why I don't have it here, but you will have a pretty much gift cards that you can buy. So as you can see, I have win, but I'm missing the buy for some reason. I'm not sure why. So you go to the buy section, and then you will have different gift cards of different volume, of different value, for example, from $5 to 25 or 50. So you just go ahead and exchange your sweat coins to the gift card. After that, guys, having your gift card already, you go into your Chrome, you type in Roblox buy Robux, go to the official website, and in here, as you can see, we have computer, web, and gift cards in here. So pretty much in order to buy Robux, you can also use your gift card. And after you have it, you either scan it or you enter the code in here, type in on which amount of Robux you wish to purchase, insert that gift code into the field, and enjoy your Robux. Guys, enjoy. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.